Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious cake pops using a simple cake mix. First, bake your chosen cake mix following the package instructions. Once baked, allow the cake to cool completely. This step is crucial for the right texture. Then, crumble the cooled cake into very fine, even pieces. You want a consistent base for your cake pops. This foundation is key to success. Next, it's time to bring everything together. Take about 1/2 to 3/4 of a standard can of frosting and add it to your crumbled cake. Mix this thoroughly until the mixture is moist and pliable, almost like dough. Then, roll the mixture into small, uniform balls, aiming for about 1.5 inches in diameter. Consistency here ensures even dipping. Now for the chilling and dipping. Gently insert a lollipop stick into each cake ball, then place them in the refrigerator to chill for 15 to 20 minutes. This helps them hold their shape. While they chill, melt your candy melts or chocolate in a microwave-safe bowl. Once melted, dip each chilled cake pop into the coating, ensuring it's fully covered. Finally, the fun part, decorating. Immediately after dipping, add any sprinkles or other decorations you like before the coating sets. Once decorated, allow the coating to set completely. This usually takes a few minutes. Your beautiful homemade cake pops are now ready to enjoy. Store any leftovers in an airtight container to keep them fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.